What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we got a really exciting video for you. We finally decided to go with MSPORT bumpers. Yes, guys, we decided to go with MSPORT bumpers and side skirts. So today we're gonna be taking off side skirts as well as putting on an MSPORT rear bumper. And then we're also gonna be messing with the front end. We got the whole front end taken apart. So we gotta put in like the new fan, crash bar, bash bar, whatever it's called. A few things like that. Let me go ahead and show you guys the rear MSPORT bumper as well as the side skirts. So actually the side skirts have an interesting story. They're off of my 335. So yeah, we got them for this car now. Gonna get that installed. So very hyped about that. But let me go get the rear MSPORT bumper. All right, guys, so here it is. MSPORT bumper for a 328. Because if you guys look over here, we got this single exit or the double on one side. So yeah, it's for the 328.
Honestly, it's an OEM bumper.
It's OEM though. That's like a come up right there.
It is. It's a nice clean bumper. It's like perfect for us. So
alright, guys, for the side skirts, as you know, my car was wrapped red. So pretty much we gotta take off this wrap, and that could be a little bit of a pain on like something like this. So we should probably leave these in the sun for now so they get heated up, and it makes it easier to take off the wrap. So we're probably gonna go ahead and do that right now.
Yeah, let's actually put those in the sun.
Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and flip around the car and jack up the rear end so that we can actually get the rear bumper on properly. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Oh my gosh, guys, like look at this. This actually looks really, really good.
Let me show the trunk real quick.
Yeah, guys, it looks really, really good. Very happy. Always, dude, MSPORT always looks so good.
Yeah,
Bro,
plus it's an OEM bumper, guys. It literally like, it sits on perfectly. Like,
dude, it literally looks perfect.
We haven't even bolted it on, but like all the angles are just like,
bro, it literally sits perfect. Yeah, let's go ahead and jack up the car first, and then we'll screw everything in because, bro, I know it's a different color, guys, but once it's white, bro, white MSPORT looks so good.
White MSPORT looks the best.
It literally looks so good. So very excited about that. Let's go ahead and put you guys back on a time lapse.
Alright, guys, so we just finished the rear bumper. Johnny, I freaking love it.
Bro, it looks so good.
It changes so much, especially
does.
once it's gonna be, like you said, the same color.
Once it's the same color, guys, it's gonna look absolutely insane. Just waiting for all the body panels to be on, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the car to paint. Bro, once it gets back from paint,
it's gonna look awesome.
It's gonna look
obviously
so good.
You want to take it at one trip.
Yeah,
we
one
want to
trip,
like paint every body panel separately.
Of course,
because we are still waiting on the front bumper to come in.
Front bumper and
so
bro, it's so exciting. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the side skirts. We actually have to take off the wrap though, so let's go ahead. It's been sitting in the sun for at least an hour or so it should be heated up, and we're gonna go ahead and take it off, and hopefully it's not gonna be that much of a pain. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Here we go, guys.
That was actually very easy.
That was so quick.
Like if you actually let like wrapped parts like heat in the sun, literally that was like the easiest thing. I know like if they're cold, man, they're absolutely annoying to deal with.
Impossible.
So, guys, we're gonna start off on the passenger side. Probably pull this old one off because they are both damaged. Ours like underneath and just like they're scraped up. Honestly, to repair these is like useless. They're OEM like 60-70 bucks base side skirts. So it was realistically better for us to go with MSPORT, of course. Yeah, guys, we're gonna start off by pulling off this one, install the MSPORT, and see how it looks. Honestly,
let's get into that.
I'm excited, dude.
It's gonna look so good,
sir. Alright guys, check it out. This is what I was talking about in terms of damage. This was completely bent up in the front. Plus it's like cut right here.
Yeah.
And it's got like this damage right here. It's pretty much useless at this point. These are literally like garbage.
Honestly.
Bro, like cut them up and throw them away. But yeah guys, let's install the new one. I'm excited to see how the MSPORTs look.
See, dude.
Honestly. Johnny, what do you say?
It's coming together, guys. Very excited.
Check this out.
I got the side skirt, the rear bumper.
Look at this angle from like right here.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's
Bro,
hot.
it literally is coming together. Looks good. Whew.
Yeah, it's sitting pretty.
You probably shut that trunk. Yeah. Bro, it actually looks so
Bro,
good.
It looks a lot better, huh? Let's go ahead and wipe down the actual bumper. Because the bumper's really dirty, and I don't know, that just bugs me. This is what I love about white paint. The car is absolutely filthy, but if you look at it on video,
It looks clean.
it looks clean. And look at the blue. It looks completely dirty.
filthy. Yeah.
Bro, this is what I love about white paint. So let's go ahead, wipe it off, make it look nice and pretty, and then let's go ahead install the other side skirt on the other side. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right guys, so we just got this side on now as well. Looks really good. The fitment is actually perfect on this side. I just can't wait to see how this thing looks like when it's painted white. What do you think?
Bro, I love it. Yeah, I mean, the fitment on this side came out a lot better than the other side, guys. The paint guys are going to take it off to paint it anyway. It's not like they're going to spray it on the car. So we're not going to do too much on that. We didn't even bolt on the bumper right away. We just wanted to put it on just so we could drive the car and actually test it and see how it goes. Because we definitely need to install the fan right now. Just so the car doesn't overheat and it runs fine. Make sure all the pipes are sitting on for the intake. Maybe install the baffle in the front, reinforcement bar, and let's honestly go give it some gas, guys.
Let's test drive it, bro.
Yeah, let's test drive this thing. I mean, like we got to
burnout
test drive it just a little bit in the last video. We didn't really drive it much because we didn't have much time, but
let's go ahead mess with the front end real quick. So just so you guys know what we're talking about, the fan in here is missing. So we got to mess with that, and then also we got to put on like the front bash bar that goes right across. And then after that, we can give it like some nice little gas, you know what I'm saying?
yeah,
so,
see how it goes.
yeah, guys, let's go ahead and do that real quick. We got the fan on now.
Yes, sir.
Pretty exciting.
Let's actually connect it. Where was the?
I think that was the connection. Yeah.
Let's see here. Let's turn it. I believe it runs underneath like this. It's gonna connect into this piece right here. It's gonna connect into
Down there.
this piece right here. It's gonna connect into right over here. That was the most important part, honestly. Because like we ran the car last time. We didn't really drive it in the last video because we ran it for a little bit and it was giving us like engine overheating. Something about like a possibility of overheating and like shut off car. And honestly, yeah, because of the fan. So you guys want to run the fan, obviously, bro. You don't want to like mess it up, you know? It builds up. The fan actually cools off a lot. So yeah, honestly, guys, we got that on. Let's get to work on the front end, Johnny. What do you say?
Let's do that. coming together, guys.
Woo!
We've been here for a hot minute.
Yeah, that was some tough work, bro, to be honest with you.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, guys, that badge bar was absolutely annoying to get in. It's like that with any car, realistically, even a clean title car, like just the frames are, once you put the assembly together in general, you gotta make sure like literally everything matches. All the bolts, there's like bolts underneath, in the center, up top where the V-brace is, it's like all over the place, you know what I mean? It's really like not an easy assembly to put on, but we did it. That was like probably one of the more difficult parts.
Definitely.
Of today's video for sure, but.
Okay, guys, it's coming together. I think, bro, we're pretty much done for today.
I think it's worth a little spin.
Yeah, let's go ahead put the intake back on real quick and take it out for a little rip.
Heck yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Let it warm up and then rip it.
Definitely. Bro, it's coming together. Johnny, did you think it would come together?
Bro, honestly, like I knew it would. I just didn't think it would actually be this fast. Like realistically, the amount of time we've been working for today, we got a ton of work done.
Yeah, we did. Bro, look at this.
Guys, it's literally coming together, dude.
Looks nice.
Bro, it looks so good. Bro, it looks so good.
It does.
If you guys don't comment, honestly, if you guys don't comment,
so
bro, it looks so good. Then I know you guys didn't really watch the full video, so comment, bro, it looks so good, and we'll know you guys actually watched the full video. There we go, bro.
Let it warm up a little bit.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna let it warm up for a little bit, and we'll catch you guys once it's actually warmed up. What? What happened? What?
I literally flew back in my seat, bro. I literally went like, I had in sport and I just like floored it, bro. My seat literally went like, oh. Bro, I freaking lost it. I got scared,
Oh
bro.
my gosh. Here, let me get in. I want to feel it.
Bolt on the seat, dude. It's freaking like all over the place.
Yo, you're gonna slide back, bro. It is
Yeah,
what it
should we
is.
just throw 2 bolts on real quick?
It's up to you.
Let's do it real quick.
Yeah.
Here, give me just.
Bro.
Bro, I feel like a freaking grandma. Oh, freaking rips,
It's actually
bro.
not that bad, bro.
Bro, it just said check pressure. I thought it said like engine pressure. Bro, I was about to pee myself, bro. It's freaking tire pressure.
Tire pressure. It's not gonna be able to see it.
Hood open, restraint system. Bro,
I actually genuinely, this is dangerous, dude.
it is dangerous, Johnny. You just gotta be careful.
Bro, genuinely, I'm a little bit taller than you, and I like literally cannot fit here, bro.
Just be careful, bro. Sheesh! You want some Starbucks?
Woohoo! Ooh, baby. Let's put it in sport mode. Literally, this is like actually so bad.
For the car. Bro, it's got so much torque, bro. It hit even past, actually 240 horsepower. Yeah, it hit like 250 torque, bro. Honestly.
Not bad, right?
That's like not bad at all.
Bro, I feel so funny. Like, bro, look at me. Like, literally my head. Like,
What was
guys, look at me drive this.
Bro, this thing's freaking quick, bro.
It's actually
I'm not even gonna lie, it's like quicker than mine.
Yeah.
Is it because of the, oh, bro, we have the passenger seat delete.
Passenger seat.
Realistically, bro, it's like 60 pounds right there. No front bumper.
Should I try doing a burnout?
I don't know. You want to try?
Try it.
Does it even? It actually takes traction off.
Yeah.
Give it a shot.
We can try it.
All right, go for it. Guys, bro, that thing's freaking quick. Johnny, I never knew you were so good at doing.
Let's get it, bro.
Bro, that's such a nice burn.
Was it good? No way.
Bro, I'm freaking 328, bro.
Look how close I am up here, bro. I'm like, how did I even do that crap?
Bro, if that airbag blows right there,
I'm dead.
you're literally dead, bro. It's gonna low-key break through your chest.
Oh my god.
Bro, I might have to put this guy away for now. That's kind of
Bro, you like that burnout though?
Yeah, it was nice, bro.
Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much the end of the video. As you guys saw, we installed the rear MSPORT bumper as well as the side skirts, and then we got the whole front end, not the whole front end, but we got most of the front end assembled, and it looks and drives amazing, dude. Like, bro, I literally did a freaking burnout in it. Like, no worries at all. I fishtailed in it. Literally, we watched the video back. I literally did like a little fishtail, you know, 328 4-banger over here. So that's sick, guys. Hopefully in the next few videos, we're gonna get like maybe a front MSPORT bumper. We're gonna see about that. And then also hopefully get the interior assembled, because I don't know if you guys can see in here, we have the airbag blown on the dash. So we have to replace the dash still, as well as this windshield. The windshield is completely toast. We still have quite a few things to do, but for the most part, I would say this is like at least halfway done now. Yeah, at this point.
We're actually changing out the color on some of these interior pieces.
Yeah, we're gonna go a little bit of black accents. And
yeah, it's gonna look, I think this interior is gonna turn out great. I know it's like tan and we hate on it a lot, but I think with the accents that we're gonna go for,
I think it'll look good.
It's gonna look really good, yeah. I'm excited,
honestly. If we replaced it to black carpet, bro, that would look so good.
It would actually look
You think
really
we should try doing that? Because there's just, it's all tan, dude. It's like, why did they do that? I don't know, we'll think about it, guys, but I think we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. So if you guys enjoyed this video in any way, make sure to go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure to like the video. Also, guys, follow us on Instagram. I'll go ahead and throw up my Instagram and Nick's Instagram as well. Go check out his channel. He has every other video just like I have every other video. So definitely stay up to date on the build. With that being said, guys, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. We will catch you guys later.
Let me shut the trunk real quick.
Dude. My head, bro. Ow, bro.